Good morning, children. Today let's start the chapter exponents. Let's first discuss the basic rules. So see, if we have the same base, what we'll do, we'll add up the power. Okay, so this is m to the power n. Similarly here, 2 to the power 3. Here we have to multiply. If we are multiplying, then only we will add it. So it becomes 2 to the power 7. Now I'm giving you here a trick. See, multiplication is like this. If we just rotate it, what we'll get this. So multiply कर रहे हैं, तो what we'll do, we'll add up the powers. So same case is over here. A by b to the power m into a by b to the power n. What we'll do, we'll simply add a by b whole to the power m plus n. Okay, now second rule. If you have to divide, okay, a by b to the power m and a by b to the power n, that means if the bases are same and you are dividing it, but the condition applied over here is this power is greater than this power. Okay, so what we'll do, just remove these two dots from here and you will get the answer. For multiplication we were adding the powers, and for division we will subtract the powers. The condition is m is greater than n. For example, here it is 5 and here it is 3. Okay, so 8 by b to the power 5 divided by a by b to the power 3. So what will be your answer? A by b to the power 5 minus 3. So final answer हो जाएगा a by b to the power 5 minus 3 is 2. I suppose you have understood. You will understand it in a better way when we solve the questions. Now here the question is same, but the only difference is here m is smaller than n. Okay, n is greater. So what we will do, we will write this a by b whole to the power m divided by a by b to the power n. This is greater, correct? So you know very well, the ones who are elder, the ones who are older to us, we go to them, correct? तो जो भी छोटे हैं वो आते हैं बड़ों के पास. तो यहाँ ये छोटा है तो ये इसके पास आएगा. So what you will do, a by b और यहाँ n पहले ही रह जाएगा, m बाद में आएगा तो माइनस m. सेम थिंग इज़ देयर चिल्ड्रन. यहाँ डिवाइड हो रहा है तो m माइनस n नहीं करके 1 बाई a बाई b होल टू द पावर n माइनस m कर देंगे, n माइनस m करेंगे. ओके, एंड वट एवर योर आंसर विल बी, विल जस्ट write the reciprocal of that. Reciprocal means just we'll turn the digits upside down. I'm showing with an example. See, 2 by 3 to the power 4 divided by 2 by 3 to the power 5. So what you will do, 2 by 3 to the power 4 divided by 2 by 3 to the power 5. And then what we'll do, 1 by 2 by 3 to the power 5 minus 4. जो बड़ा है उसको वहीं रखो, इसको नीचे ले आओ. So here what you will get, you'll get 2 by 3 to the power 1. Correct? 5 minus 4 is 1. Now 1 by 2 by 3 है. So that means this, what we'll do, we'll just write the reciprocal and this 3 will go over here. 3 by 2 will be your answer. Okay. Now let's see this. A by b to the power m into n. What we'll do, we'll simply multiply this. m into n हो जाएगा. Okay. Now here is an example. 5 by 4 whole to the power 2 whole to the power 3. So what we'll do, we'll multiply the powers. So 5 by 4 to the power 3 2s are 6, and then you can simplify. That will be your answer. See children, any number if it is having a power that is a negative integer, then your answer will become just the reverse. Your digits you have to write the reciprocal, that means b by a हो जाएगा यहाँ पे to the power n, तब ये पॉजिटिव हो जाएगा. Here I am taking one example, 1 by 2 to the power minus 2. So what you will do, 2 by 1 हो जाएगा होल टू द पावर 2. ठीक है, जैसे ही अंदर का डिजिट्स गेट्स reciprocal, this power automatically changes into positive. Now here the last one. Any number to the power 0 is always 1. Let it be 100, let it be any greater number than that, let it be 0 itself, let it be 1. Any number to the power 0, your answer will become 1. 1 to the power 0, 1. 100 to the power 0, 1. Okay, I hope so. The rules are very clear.